Hey everybody, my name's Chris. Welcome to the channel. What's your scent of the day or scent of the night? Drop your comment down below. So today I would like to give a big thank you to Argos fragrance brand. Thank you to their PR department. They were nice and kind enough to send me their awesome sample pack. So it includes 12 fragrances, pretty much their whole collection. If you want to get their newest current release, Cheryl's Veil, it's an extra couple of dollars upcharge fee to get all 13 samples. I will leave a link down below. If you put in checkout 15 as a promo code, you get 15% off the whole sample set, or off a 30 ml bottle, 100 ml bottle, or travel spray. So I'll leave all links down below. It's not a sponsored video. I don't get any commission for it. They're just nice enough to send me the sample pack set because I purchased Fall Phaeton a couple months ago. And that's a phenomenal fragrance. They enjoy my YouTube content and they asked me would I like to have a sample set to check out the whole brand. So thank you so much to the Argos company / PR department. So it runs about $84 for the sample set. So you get a nice little Argos card, which is nice. Comes with samples. Here's the bag. Which is nice. Nice Argos bag. Opens up. Really nice soft texture here with the Argos logo. And you can squeeze your bag, which is nice, and open it up. And it comes in all your goodies here. If you would like to get 13 samples, you have to pay an extra upcharge of $13.75, and that's for Cheryl's Veil. That one has rose and oud. It's a very beautiful blended combo. If you like rose and oud, you should definitely check it out. So I'm gonna get more of the samples out so I can show you the whole sample collection. There you go. And I'm gonna go one by one and show you each sample so you know what you guys get in the sample set. And I will tell you what my favorites are as well. So here we go. First one you get is Cheryl's Veil. If you pay the extra upcharge fee, this one is included, but if you don't pay the extra upcharge fee, you don't get Cheryl's Veil. This is extra $13.75. Cheryl's Veil. So basically notes are rose, patchouli, sandalwood, oud, atlas cedar, citrus, ladamum, and saffron. Beautiful bottle presentation. This is Cheryl's Veil. The next 12 are the ones you're gonna get with the actual sample set for $84. They're all 2 ml samples. This is Sacred Flame. Beautiful presentation. So Sacred Flame has bergamot, peach, tangerine, ginger, clove, grapefruit, pepper tree, rose, tuberose, cinnamon bark, violet, jasmine, orris patchouli, amber, sandalwood, benzoin, apopanax, tonka bean, vetiver, cashmere, and vanilla. This is Sacred Flame. This is their newest release. You guys should definitely check it out. Birth of Venus. This one here, beautiful artwork. So this one here has notes of bergamot, peach, orange, grapefruit, osmanthus, lavender, narcissus, tuberose, iris, violet, raspberry, and chocolate. Base notes of amber, vetiver, cedar wood, ladamum, sandalwood, cashmere woods. Birth of Venus. Adonis Awakens. And this one here is beautiful presentation as well. So this one here has notes of bergamot, grapefruit, pink pepper accord, Bulgarian rose, sambac jasmine, vanilla, and raspberry. And the base we have sandalwood, cashmere wood, and rose absolute. Adonis Awakens. Palace Athene. Beautiful artwork. All these are beautiful artwork. So we have notes of bergamot, grapefruit, pink peppercorn, red berries, peony, violet, rose petals, iris, amber, vanilla, sandalwood, vetiver, and patchouli. Beautiful artwork as well. One of my favorites I have already a full bottle of, Fall Phaeton. Beautiful artwork, guys. So Fall Phaeton has notes of bergamot, lemon, pink pepper, cardamom, ginger, ladamum, lavender, agarwood, musk, leather, tonka bean, vanilla. Fall Phaeton, one of my favorites. Definitely check it out. Love the beautiful artwork. These are all eau de parfum concentrations. Danae, or Danae. This is an amazing fragrance, guys. This one is awesome. This one has bergamot, Sicilian lemon, pink pepper accord, kayak wood, cedar wood, cashmere wood, citrus, patchouli, sandalwood, and musk. Definitely check out Dene. Try for Bacchus. Never tried it, heard good things about it. Beautiful presentation. So this has saffron, white peach, green apple, rum notes, patchouli, jasmine, tonka bean vetiver, tobacco, amber, sandalwood, vanilla, and musk. Try for Bacchus. Sheesh Immortelle. Say it wrong, I do apologize. Beautiful artwork as well, guys. So this has notes of bergamot, lemon, pepper, raspberry, violet, jasmine, leather, pink peppercorn, musk, leather, oud, birch, and vanilla. Now we have a female fragrance. This is Pour Femme, Eau de Parfum. Beautiful bottle as well. So this has notes of violet, bergamot, ginger, lemon, orange blossom, Irish, clove, pink pepper, jasmine, lily of the valley, and rose, sandalwood, amber, white musk, vanilla bean, yang yang. Pour Femme. Pour Homme for the men. Beautiful bottle as well. Have notes of gin, orange slices, lemon, lime, Scottish pine, lavender, African violet, wild jasmine, vetiver, sage, amber, beautiful neroli, white musk, and patchouli. Pour Him. Pour Homme. I'm not even trying to pronounce this one. This one here we have pink pepper, sage, juniper, green mate absolute, Irish tonka bean absolute, leather, birch, amber. And last but not least, we have this Triumph Over War. Beautiful bottle presentation as well. And we have bergamot, lemon, rose, black currant, orange, tuberose, raspberry, violet, clove, geranium, gardenia, yang yang, cinnamon bark, amber, white musk, patchouli, vanilla, sandalwood, and cashmere wood. Triumph Over War. This is an awesome sample pack, guys, especially if you are new to the House of Argos. You should definitely buy the sample pack. You get all 12 of the fragrances, plus you can try them out on your skin for several days and see which one you want a full bottle of, because they have 30 ml bottles and 100 ml bottles, and they're very expensive. You're looking at over $100+ for a 30 ml and $200+ for a 100 ml. And I recommend people get samples, try them out, see which one you like. You might like one of the brand, you might like 3, 6, you might like all 12 of the fragrances. But it's definitely worth buying a sample set because you can discover the brand and wear them multiple times before just blind buying a fragrance. Every brand now has samples. Please sample. I always tell you guys, recommend buying samples anyway. I'd like to thank the Argos brand for sending me this sample set. If you guys want me to review any of these fragrances, drop your comments down below. If there's one of these fragrances that you guys really want to hear about, let me know in the comment section down below and I will do a first impression or a day in the life video of them. If you guys have any favorite from the House of Argos, drop your comments down below. So some of my favorite from Argos we have is Dene. It's a phenomenal fragrance. We have Fall Phaeton, is one of my favorite fragrances. And currently one of my new favorite fragrances I like is Sacred Flames. I'm really digging this one, guys. And the next fragrance I'm going to be purchasing from the House of Argos, this is Birth of Venus, probably. It's probably my next purchase. This fragrance is phenomenal, guys. You should definitely check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the content, you're new here, or you've been watching for a while and haven't subscribed, please show your support by clicking that red subscribe button down below. I would appreciate it. Be safe, everyone. I'll see you in the video very soon. Peace.